There, miss. You see, the heterodynes were feeding back into the stimulus reaction activators, causing non-snaps of the motor control resistor units.
Oh, that's good.
No, lady, that's bad. But your regenerative circuits are tuned asynchronously, and that causes concatenation in the intermediate amplifiers.
Well, that's bad, isn't it?
No, that's good. From now on, I don't think there'll be the slightest trouble with your robot. Your domestic problems are completely solved.
Dollar stores and fives and dimes, I was yours and you were mine. A penny saved for the rainy day. Now I hold them in my hand, for wishing at the river's bend that someday